Hi, my name is Brad, and this is the Currency Strength Expert Advisor, and I'm going to show you how it works. So let's talk about the principles behind it first, just talking some concepts with this made-up currency pair called ABC XYZ, which we can understand to be the value of the currency ABC divided by the value of the currency XYZ. If we were looking at a chart for this currency pair and it had an upward trend, that means that one of a couple things could be happening. First could be that the value of ABC is increasing, which would result in an upward trend. Secondly, the value of XYZ could be decreasing, which would also result in an upward trend. Or the ideal, which if we could methodically recreate this, it would be a good strategy to be able to get in on a situation like this. Alternatively, both things could be happening at the exact same time. The value of ABC could be increasing at the exact same time while the value of XYZ were decreasing, resulting in two individual currencies pushing for the exact same trend. So, wouldn't it be, in order to be able to accomplish this, wouldn't it be nice if we knew at any given point in time what was happening with individual currencies? Well, we are able to deduce what is happening with individual currencies using this expert advisor. So to give you an example just of how we might deduce what's going on here on this EURO-USD chart. For instance, we have this spike down that happens, which could mean one of two things. It could mean euro strength is going down or dollar strength is going up. We can isolate each of those individual currencies to see what might be happening. So let's look at a chart with the euro on there at that same time at about 7 o'clock on the 20th. So about 7 o'clock on the 20th, we're not seeing any spikes there. So let's look at a chart with the dollar on it about the same time. So about 7 o'clock on the 20th, we see there's a downward spike there too, suggesting that the spike we saw here on the Euro-USD pair was as a result, came about because the value of the US dollar increased. That is how we can start to deduce what's happening with individual currency pairs. Similar analysis can be happening on other currencies, on other currency pairs to deduce what might be happening on another individual currency. If we've just decided that the dollar is strengthening, the expert advisor we could find another that was decreasing in strength, place a trade on that currency pair between those two individual currencies, and ride that trend for as long as possible. If you look here, you can see the expert advisor set up one window for each component for following trend and then for capitalizing on retracement after that trend has run its course. There are only two windows, but it is trading on all 28 currency pairs as long as you have all price information flowing through the market watch window. And that is the primary trading strategy, is just figuring out what's happening with individual currency pairs to match a strengthening with a weakening currency pair, because both currencies will be pushing for a trend in the same direction. So that's the primary trading strategy. It actually has a secondary trading strategy just as a backup, just to make sure that you do end up profitable, called averaging, which has been used in other expert advisors that Matteo Incorporated has created, specifically one called Trading Manager Pro. That's the one I've used most from Matteo Incorporated. For instance, I'm running that right now, and right now it's September 30th when this video is made, and my months are hitting on the 3rd. So since September 3rd of this year, 2017, I have earned 116% only using averaging on Trading Manager Pro, and that same averaging strategy is used as the backup strategy to make sure that you end up profitable on this expert advisor. And that just tells you how much confidence they've got in the currency strength aspect of it. And this is just the next installment. They've been releasing expert advisors for the last 5 years, just getting in touch with the most successful, reputable traders on the foreign exchange, just saying, hey, what works? What are the best strategies? Making expert advisors out of those strategies, and then letting the expert advisors run those strategies flawlessly. So I'm excited to hear the success stories. Let us know if you have any questions, and have a nice day. Thanks. See you. Bye.